Hey y'all, check out these pots and pans that I just received from the brand to try out, and we are loving it so far. We've had these for about a few weeks now. We've been cooking with them, and they are excellent. First of all, this is a hex-clad frying pan, and okay, quick edit, this is actually not hex-clad. That's a different brand entirely. This is actually hybrid technology from DUXANO, and it is completely non-stick. Now they do suggest seasoning this the first time you use it, which I did, and it's great. It doesn't stick at all. We cooked fried rice with it, we've cooked chicken with it, we've cooked beef and a number of other dishes with this, and we have not had any issues with sticking, and cleaning is so simple and easy. Now the good thing about this is that it does come with a handle that can detach and attach very easily by a push of a button. You can push this button to release and push this button to attach. So all the pots and pans that came with this set are compatible with the handles, which you get 2 handles and a number of pans that you can use it on. Now, I'll say that also all of these pots and pans are actually oven safe. They're oven safe. These guys are not oven safe, but the pans themselves are. And so you could technically use this to pop them in the oven and then release and let go, and then you can grab it later again with this handle. I also love that it came with a few accessories as far as, you know, a spatula and a ladle, and also this little thing, I think it's called a trivet, but essentially you protect your countertops with it. We love this. We've been using it for all kinds of things. It comes with a lid, of course, as well. It's great for soups, stews, and all kinds of other things. We're really grateful for the brand for sending out the sample, and I hope you all found this helpful. Thank you. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.